Dr. Steve Teitelbaum of Washington University School of Medicine is a nationally recognized authority on stem cell research. He believes stem cells are the hope of the future.
They have more potential than any other technique that I've come across in my years in this business for the promise of helping people with presently incurable diseases.
Now, a major breakthrough in stem cell research is moving science closer to that promise without the ethical controversy of cloning or destroying human embryos. James Huttner, a neurobiologist at Washington University School of Medicine, has worked on stem cell research for more than 10 years.
The important part of this new discovery is that it avoids generation of a embryo altogether and just works with cells from an adult, converts them into a less differentiated state, and then allows you to redifferentiate them into the kind of cell that you're looking for.
The new technique works like this. A virus transports 4 genes into an ordinary skin cell, essentially mixing up its DNA. The skin cell reverts to a condition resembling an embryonic stem cell. In theory, these stem cells can be used to create new heart, liver, or other tissue for transplant. But we're not there yet.
I think the major limitation now is the fact that to make these cells, you have to use a virus. The only way the way the cells are made is by putting 4 new genes into skin cells. The only way you can put these genes into these skin cells presently is by using what we call a retrovirus. And retroviruses cause cancer.
That makes this technique too dangerous for human use at this time.
But the point is that nobody can ever predict science. Nobody can ever predict when the best technique will come about.
One thing that the public needs is patience in terms of how quickly these kind of discoveries will be converted into something that their doctor will do for them. So I think with stem cells, it's likely to take years rather than months, definitely, before these things are converted into treatments. But the important point is that there's continued progress. This is a field where each month, each 6 months, there is new progress to report. And so that's the reason I think that scientists are very optimistic.
Stem cells, promising possibilities. How far off? The search for answers continues. For the St. Louis Science Center, I'm Al Wyman.